switch to the fulfillment view and view details. So you see, what we have seen at the sales order line level was certain information about the line was shown, but regarding the fulfillment, only the supply related or shipment related details were shown, but not all the information regarding fulfillment was shown. We did not even schedule the sales order line. So I'm going to go back and show you how to switch to fulfillment view. Okay, there I am. And before we go, I will show you the details of the release we are on. So it's fetching the details. You see, we are on the latest Oracle Cloud Application 21A release. Okay, I'm going to close this, and then in order to switch to fulfillment views, all you do is go to actions and then click on switch to fulfillment views. And as you could see now, you can see the details here in fulfillment lines, much more information. Okay, you can click on this particular line like this, and it will hopefully give you more information with a better visibility. You see, it is in sort of a form format, and all the information on the line is being given over here. General information, what's the status of the order, which is open, it is shippable, the transactional value, the standardized value, and the customer contact, the sales order line related information, the item, and the fulfillment line related information, and the supply details. So where is it going to be pulling that supply from? So it is giving it as warehouse 001, which is for Seattle, and the shipping information and the billing information, the item details, any other transactional attributes or holds which are applied, finally the tax determinants. So all the information about that order is shown in a form format. So this is much more detailed. Okay, you can view the fulfillment details like this, and fulfillment line details. So you have to basically schedule the order. By that, what will happen is a reservation will be created in the inventory warehouse and associated sub inventory within this warehouse. So presently it is suggesting a warehouse of 001 Seattle, and once you create the reservation, then this particular quantity will be set as reserved quantity for this particular sales order line. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to also check the attributes. You see, these were the things which are not visible in the basic view of sales order line. They were visible, but you have to go basically one by one. Here it is visible in much more details, so you can view them like this, and the view is pretty much similar to what you see in Oracle E-Business Suite order management lines form. So it's as comprehensive as that E-Business Suite forms. Okay, and the service details. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly go and check the availability first. You see, so here it is showing us the details about the availability as to where this item is available. You see, it's good that it's also showing us in a GUI format. you see the analytics as the fulfillment line, promising distribution, the item availability, where all it's available. You see the total quantity in Seattle inventory org is 180 presently, and that's where it is showing us the details, all the sources. You can select the organization, okay, and if at all they were inventory in on the way, for example supplier is being supplying, then you can also search for supplier as well. Okay, so this is very good improvement as compared to e-business suite. Particularly the GUI format is something I like it, and as you could see, here is availability status. It is showing on time. Okay, so basically these are the way in which you can switch to the fulfillment view and then check the availability and check the details of the entire sales order line in a form format.